This is your lesson number 20, Unity in Diversity. India is the 7th largest country in the world. It has 28 states and 9 union territories. Delhi is the capital of our country. There are few things that bind this beautiful country together. There are national symbols. Our national symbol stands for our country. These are the 9 union territories: Andaman and Nicobar, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Lakshadweep, Delhi, Puducherry. The difference between the union territories and state, the state has their own government. The state have their own elected government, and the union territories are governed directly by the central government of India. The national anthem was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. This is our national emblem. You can see the land capital of Ashoka at Sarnath is the national emblem of India. There are other national symbols also. You can see national flower, lotus, national fruit, mango, national animal, tiger, national river, Ganga, national tree, Indian banyan tree, national bird, Indian peacock, national song, Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Now, what is the emblem of our school? This is the emblem of our school. Now, national flag. National flag has 3 bands. It is tricolor with deep saffron that represents courage and sacrifice. In the mid is white band that represents truth and purity. The bottom is green that represents faith, fertility and growth. In the middle there is in the center is a navy blue wheel, the Ashok Chakra. The wheel of virtue also represents motion or growth. Now the rules that should be followed when you are hosting the tricolor. The saffron band should always be on the top. No other flag can be placed over and above our national flag. The flag has to be brought down at sunset, folded and put away properly. We should respect our national flag. The national anthem, that is Jan Gan Man, was written by Rabindranath Tagore. The anthem is also the symbol of unity. We sing it on important occasions like Independence Day. As mark of respect, we must stand at attention whenever the anthem is being sung. The national emblem, the symbol with lions. This is our national emblem. This we find on all currency notes, coins and papers of government. It is the official seal of the government. It was taken from Sarnath land capital, erected by Ashoka. It was adopted as the national emblem of India on 26 January 1950, the day India became the Republic. In the below you can see Satyamev Jayate. Inscribed below is Devanagari script, means truth alone triumphs. The national song of India is Vande Mataram, that was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Thank you, children.